Agriculture in itself, what we do each and every day, we are dependent on agriculture. Food security is key. Food safety is key. We want to make it affordable for consumers. From an economic contribution point of view, primary agriculture is around about 3% of gross domestic product. But BFAB recently did a study, and they estimated that agriculture and that whole value chain and everything, the multipliers and everything together, contributes a massive 14% to this economy. So it is a big sector in the economy. So when we look at job opportunities, and if I look specifically at agricultural economics, it is not like you study a certain subject field and you're going to sit in an office for the next 30 years. In agricultural economics, you can sit in the office, you can be out in the field, you can work in various different environments, you can become a researcher. That's when you end up at the university. You can go into the banking sector, where you then have various different options within the banking sector. You can work for government, you can go into the trading environment, you can become an entrepreneur. So the subject field itself really equips you to think independently, but then also to apply your skills when you go out in the job environment.